Now in this video, I'm going to work out some problems that I did manually without the calculator. And this was addition, subtraction of rational expressions. I'm going to go through the same problems that I did in that video using the TI-89. And I'm doing it only so that you can kind of check yourself. You really should know how to do these, but if you need to check your answer, try the TI-89. So this is the first one that we did. X plus 1 over x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3 over x minus 3. So let's just enter it over here, the main screen. And it's important here that you put parentheses. If you're in doubt, use parentheses. Because if the parentheses are essential in solving the problem and you don't put them in there, you're not going to get the answer right, whether you do it on the calculator or manually. So let's have this x plus 1. This is going to be over, and then again parentheses here, x minus 3, then addition plus parentheses 2x minus 3 over x minus 3. Again, this simple addition, denominators are the same, so you should be able to do this easily without a calculator. But anyway, here it is. Okay, 3x minus 2 over x minus 3. Okay, so it checks out with what we did. No common denominator needed. They already have the same denominator. Let's clear this. Go to problem 2. You got x over x minus 2 plus 2 over 2 minus x. Denominator is almost the same, just like we did in the other video. And we have to make an easy change to fix it. The calculator, we can just enter it here. So this will be x divided by or over parentheses x minus 2 close parentheses and plus 2 over divided by parentheses 2 minus x hit enter here and it gives me 1. Okay, there's the modification we made, to get the same denominator, and we got 1. Okay, checks out. Let's clear this. Go to problem 3. Okay, this one again, denominator's not the same. So in the other video, we went ahead and found the common denominator and went ahead and did the subtraction. Here, we're just going to enter it in the calculator at 4x over, and parentheses here, x squared minus 4, close parentheses, minus 2, over, so we hit divide, parentheses, x squared plus x, minus 6, close parentheses there, hit enter, and then we have the final answer. The denominator is x minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3. On top we have a 2, and then the product of that trinomial. And you have this here. Those are the steps there. If you didn't see that video, you can rewind or pause the video here so you can get a closer look at this. But the focus on this video is on the calculator. And then the last step here was to factor, combine. And there's the answer. 2 factored out, 2x squared by 5x minus 2. That one checks out. Then we go to problem 4. This is going to be 2 divided by. Now in this case, what I'm going to do, because there's a product involved here, when I enter in the calculator, I'm going to enter the same thing right here for the first fraction, but it's going to have parentheses on the main parentheses on the left and on the right. So I start off with one main parentheses there, and then I enter that denominator. So parentheses again, and then x plus 2. Close parentheses, and that's to the second power. And then parentheses again, and then it's x minus 1. Close parentheses, and then close the main parentheses. And then it's a minus 6 over, so that's divide. Same thing here. I'm going to put parentheses on the left and on the right. So parentheses, and then I enter the rest of it. Then parentheses again, x plus 2, and another parentheses for the x minus 1. And that's to the second power. And then close the main parentheses. And then hit enter. There we have it. The LCD, you see it, x minus 1 to the second, x plus 2 to the second, and on top I have minus 2, parentheses, 2x plus 7. Okay, so those are the steps that we went through in the last video, but the focus here is on the calculator, but I wanted you to see them anyway. And there we have that. Went up with this. And then the last step was to factor a negative 2 out of there. And there you have it. Same thing we got in the calculator. Negative 2 there on top, 2x plus 7. And of course in the denominator, x minus 1 to the second, and x plus 2 to the second. Again, these don't have to be in the same order because it's multiplication. So multiplication is commutative, so you could put the x minus 1 squared first, or the x plus 2 quantity squared first. I believe that was everything. I think there was only 4 problems. Yes. So that concludes the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.